Many people have questions about the death of Raila Amolo Odinga. Questions like, when did he start feeling unwell? Where did he die from? Was his body in India or was it in Kenya? And there's been a lot of missing links in the stories that we hear. Because Stephen Leto was interviewed and he said when they reached in India, they were not allowed to see the body. Okay. And then from there, we see when the body was going to Kasarani, the policemen were sitting on top of the coffin. It raises questions. And also the coffin that was from India was different from the one that we saw in Kasarani, the one we saw in Nyayo, and the one we saw in Bondo. So there's a lot of missing links. When Baba is dying, is having his security around and the daughter. Where is his wife? Where is his colleagues? Where are Akina Joho, Akina Mbadi? Where are they? We expect that at this point, when Baba is breathing his last, there should be people who are close to him around. So in a podcast, Caleb Amisi was asked this question, and I would like us to listen to how he responded.
Yeah, of course, I'm also struggling, as much as I'm struggling to believe that Baba actually has died and we have buried within a short period of time.
Yeah.
I'm struggling to really give the family space to mourn, and the entire ODM family.
Yeah.
I don't want to be the speculator or the spreader of rumors, but I think there is a lot of question mark. Very soon we'll start asking questions. When the mourning period ends, we will start asking questions. Baba is not any other Kenyan. This was an international icon. He was an international enigma. How you just handle his health carelessly like that. The time when Baba was rumored that he's sick, that's the time when the government needed to put things straight.
They should have taken it seriously.
They should have taken it seriously, and they said, hey guy, it's not true. In fact, he's here and he's doing well. We are trying to, to handle his health. I mean, it cannot just be normal. People are talking about Baba is sick and you take it lightly and eventually they find he's actually dead. I think there is a big gap there. If indeed Baba was sick and eventually ended up in India, we want to know why take him to such a dilapidated hospital.
True story. I've seen that story as well.
Yeah.
And I was even asking myself that question. I'm like, which
the photos that came where the hospital, and that's why to me it looks like a dream, because such an hospital, how can Baba be in such an hospital?
Imagine.
And somebody's just doing like this. Now, what the hell is that? If you are talking about the former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, not an ordinary Kenyan, unamfinya hivi ndiye amuke. What is that?
There are no machines, there's nothing.
So this, if it was true, then why handle Baba's health carelessly like that? People fall sick. There's no extraordinary disease. Even if it is cancer or whatever, people fall sick and sometimes they are hospitalized and eventually we lose. It's not an accident. It's not a plane crash. So you cannot just say somebody has been sick, now he has collapsed. No, it's not a movie.
There's something.
You must.
A lot of unanswered questions.
A lot of unanswered questions. But like I said, let's give family peace and time to mourn. But we'll definitely ask questions at the right time.
Okay.
Okay. So I think we all have those questions. And as much as we want to have answers, maybe we need to give family time to mourn. And then when the right time will come to ask questions, then we can start asking the questions. But like Caleb has explained, there is a lot of missing links. And I think there will be people who will be responsible to respond to such questions. So let's give them time and let's see how things are going to unveil.